Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to target one of our most common skincare concerns, clogged pores. It's the SkinMedica Pore Purifying Gel Cleanser. If you struggle with oily or acne-prone skin, this one might pique your interest. We're going to break down its performance and see if it lives up to the hype. Now let's start with the basics. The SkinMedica Pore Purifying Gel Cleanser is designed for all skin types, but it's especially geared towards those with oily, acne-prone, or combination skin. The formula aims to gently remove makeup, oil, dirt, and impurities while purifying pores. It claims to help improve the skin's texture and even targets blemishes. And the best part? It's formulated with salicylic acid, an ingredient that's a staple when it comes to tackling acne and congested pores. On paper, this cleanser sounds like a dream for those with oily or acne-prone skin, but does it actually deliver? Let's talk about how it performed during real-life testing. I use this cleanser both morning and night as part of my routine for a couple of weeks. The gel texture is smooth, and it's got a nice clean scent, not overpowering at all. When you apply it, it lathers up just enough to make you feel like your skin is getting a thorough cleanse without drying it out. That's something I personally loved, because many gel cleansers can leave the skin feeling a little too tight or stripped, but not this one. After rinsing, my skin felt fresh and clean, but not overly tight. I've used it to remove makeup as well, and it does a pretty good job of dissolving everything without needing to double cleanse. However, for stubborn makeup, like waterproof mascara, I did have to use a separate eye makeup remover, which wasn't a huge deal, but it's worth noting. As for blemish prevention, I did notice a difference in the overall clarity of my skin. My pores looked less congested, and while it didn't completely eradicate my occasional breakouts, it did seem to reduce their frequency. I also loved that it didn't cause any irritation, even though I have sensitive skin. The salicylic acid is a great addition for anyone dealing with acne-prone skin, but if your skin is very sensitive, you might want to patch test first or use it every other day to avoid over-exfoliation. Let's break down the pros and cons of this cleanser. On the plus side, it's gentle, effective, and has a good balance between being a purifying and hydrating cleanser. The formula is lightweight, and it definitely helps with the appearance of pores and blemishes. Plus, it's suitable for both your face and body, great if you're dealing with chest or back acne. On the downside, if you have extremely dry skin, you might find it a little drying after long-term use, especially if you're using it twice a day. While it does a good job with general makeup removal, as mentioned, it's not a miracle worker for heavy-duty makeup like waterproof mascaras. Now let's talk about value for money. At 6 foul odds, it's priced on the higher end for a gel cleanser, but considering the high-quality ingredients like salicylic acid, it's not outrageous. If you've struggled with acne or large pores and are looking for a product that does more than just cleanse, this is a solid option. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, there are other salicylic acid-based cleansers that could work just as well without breaking the bank. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. It's a squeeze tube, which I appreciate for hygiene reasons. You can easily control the amount of product dispensed, and the packaging is travel-friendly too. As for longevity, a little goes a long way, so this tube should last you quite a while. As for customer support, SkinMedica has a pretty good reputation when it comes to handling inquiries. They're generally responsive, and if you have any issues with the product, I'd expect them to resolve it quickly. If you're curious about other options in this price range, there are a couple of alternatives worth considering. The Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash, for example, has a similar salicylic acid formulation at a more budget-friendly price. If you're willing to splurge a bit more, you might also like the Murad Clarifying Cleanser, which is also great for acne-prone skin, but contains additional acne-fighting ingredients. So, does the SkinMedica Pore Purifying Gel Cleanser live up to its claims? Yes, it definitely helps with acne prevention and pore purification. It's effective, but its price might be a deal breaker for some, especially when there are more affordable options available. If you're someone who's serious about combating acne or clogged pores and don't mind investing in your skincare, this could be a great addition to your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.